Explain the steps involved in deeding over a paid off property. Now, I'm assuming that this has to do with a rental. So many of us know that if we have property that's subject to a loan, a lien, a note, that many times a lien holder is going to get queasy about you transferring property from yourself, maybe to a spouse, or from yourself to your holding company while that note is pending. But once that note is released, how do you do it? Well, it's as simple as signing over a warranty deed from yourself, the owner, to that other party, and then taking that deed and filing it with the county clerk's records. That's a service that we offer, and the steps are relatively simple. If you are the sole owner, you yourself can sign a deed, and we always recommend a warranty deed, because if you just sign a quit claim deed, that transfers title, but it doesn't transfer title so cleanly, and a lot of title companies don't like quit claims. So if you foresee in the future the possibility of another transfer, always go ahead and supply a warranty deed in this process. So you, the sole owner, sign the warranty deed over to the third party. That party then files that deed with the property clerk's records in the county in which the property is located, and then title transfers. You might have to take one additional step, which is to update the county appraisal district to make sure that the appraisal district recognizes the new owner as the new taxpayer. Generally speaking, that happens, but just to make sure, especially now as we're approaching tax season, you're going to want to make sure that that tax bill goes to the right person or entity. If there are multiple owners, then of course, all owners involved should transfer it, but it is possible, for an example, if I own a piece of property with my brother, that I want to transfer my ownership interest to, say, my cousin or to my holding company, Ernie LLC. I can do that, but it should be understood that I've only transferred my ownership, right? If I'm a 50-50 owner with my brother, then I can only sell what pertains to me. If we are both interested in this transfer and we both want to transfer into Ernie LLC, then we would both sign the warranty deed over to Ernie LLC. A representative of Ernie LLC, which could be me, could then take that and then file it with the county clerk's office. And now Ernie LLC is the title holder. The last thing would be to update the appraisal district with a change of taxpayer form and let the appraisal district know that now Ernie LLC is the taxpayer, and all tax documentation should be sent to that entity at X address. Landlords, as always, we welcome you to follow us on our Instagram page. If you're not a member yet, join us on Facebook. And if you enjoy what you see here, give us a thumbs up. Click that like button. We enjoy that very much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing.